Oh, you make yours over here. Make it right there.
Hmm?
Make it right there. No, no, not on mine. Look at my big snow angel. Me and JC McBay, snow angels. JC's over there somewhere, but you can see it. There goes Jamar, snow angel. You need some help? And there goes JC, snow angel.
Whoa, mine.
Mine's way bigger. Look at mine's.
Hey, where's this arm?
Right there.
This is his arm.
What you doing with my arm?
This is arm. Let's put our eyes on her face.
Alright. You gotta put a smiley face too.
Aww.
Alright, Rowdy.
Hey, look it. It's snow.
We make a couple more snowballs, then we're going in the house.
Okay. Okay, let's do it.
Do what?
Make a snow man again.
No, you mean, I said a couple snowballs.
Oh, a couple snowballs. What, snowman?
Yeah, if you want to. Lucky you get to play in the snow tomorrow again. You don't go to school.
Let's go try if he wants to play in snow later.
Alright.
Look at the hat. Dummy. Oh. Sorry.
Alright.
Wait. Just so. Hey, come on, look it. Bye, snowman.
We'll see him tomorrow. We'll build him. We'll make him a wife and kids or something. Sounds good?
Huh?
Sounds good?
Yeah.
Alright, Rowdy.
Hey, look at his zip. No.
There's a lot of snow,
Whoa.
son. Be careful.
Oh, whoa.
Look at you.
I'm covered with snow.
So am I. Look at you. Oh, you I'm a,
Oh.
come on. Close the door.